Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. Annotations, that's what I was looking for. The green and red line annotations, there we go. And after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be made. In fact, both these lines aren't really, I mean, they still pertain to the chart, but they're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I'll just use these lines for future areas now that are more that pertain to the chart. And the first key level is just, the level of resistance, and nothing fancy about this level at all, other than the fact that the party stopped today up at 0.045. So that is going to be, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. Again, nothing complicated, nothing fancy, just simply that's where the price got rejected. And the good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, it's not like the price has to travel that great of a distance before it can start to do battle with that level once again. As far as levels of support are concerned, the new level that I would call the ideal mark, meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above 4 cents. Now, in the event the price falls below 4, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Taking a step back, and I think I talked about this in yesterday's video. If not, I'll talk about it here. But it all really boils back to this purple line, the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move higher and higher as time goes on. So a very straightforward way, yet highly effective to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above, 0.04, that would be great. However, from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall, monster move today, great volume, and as long as the price keeps on chipping away with those higher bases like it's been doing over the past few days, the overall trend will continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.